So you think your digital transformation is complete. Let's talk about the one blind spot almost everyone misses. Let me ask you this. Are your operations really digital? I mean, all of them, down to the ground level. And look, most businesses would say yes. You've invested in all the big important systems, right? You've got your ERPs handling transactions, your CRMs managing customers. It feels like you've covered all the bases. But here's the thing, what's actually happening on the ground every single day? It's often a different story. I'm talking about paper logbooks, endless spreadsheets, maybe even WhatsApp groups managing critical tasks. Sound familiar? And this is for super important stuff. You know, tracking visitors, moving materials, or handling service requests. So you end up with two completely different worlds, the slick, digitized world and the messy, manual one. And that gap, it's not just inefficient, it's a huge risk, a real operational blind spot. You end up with zero visibility, no real accountability, and forget about being ready for an audit. Okay, so the good news is there is a way to connect these two worlds and bridge that gap. It's called SFDP, the Security First Digital Platform, and it's built for exactly this, digitizing your day-to-day operations. And this isn't some new idea. We're talking over 1.8 million digital records already created on the platform. Basically, it's a proven system for turning all that chaotic, manual activity into clean, usable data. The process is really simple. You capture activities digitally, which automatically turns them into structured, traceable data. And the result? You finally get data you can actually trust. Data that's structured and ready for audits. Which really drives home the main point. Your transformation isn't actually complete until the ground floor is digital too. So this is about closing that loop. It's time to truly finish your digital journey. Which leaves one big question for you. How are you handling all of this daily operational tracking right now